Hello everyone, this is Carla de la Rosa-King, immigration attorney, and today I have a frequently asked question for you. And the question is, can I obtain an employment authorization card while my U petition for non-immigrant status is pending with USCIS? The answer to that question is that it is possible. On June 14, 2021, USCIS announced a bona fide determination process by which non-immigrant status petitioners might be able to obtain an employment authorization card while their U petition is pending with USCIS. So how does this work? So when you file your application, USCIS is gonna make an initial review. So when you file the application, it is very important to file a complete application because they are gonna review that your application is completed and properly filed. For your application to be completed, when you file your petition, it's very important that you include Form I-918, which is the petition for non-immigrant status. You also need to include Form 918 Supplement B, which is the U non-immigrant status certification. Now, in regards to the certification, it's very important that you file it within 6 months after the certifying officer sign the certification. This is very important. Also, with your application, you need to include a statement explaining the facts of the case, what happened. Once USCIS receives a complete application, they will schedule you for biometrics. They want to make sure that there's nothing on your background that raises any concerns. So you're going to have to go to USCIS, to an application support centers. They will take your fingerprints and they will look at your criminal background. So if there's nothing on your background that raises any concerns and you submitted a completed application, USCIS will determine if you submitted a bona fide U petition. If it's on their discretion, they determine that you submitted a completed application and there's nothing on your background that raises any concerns, they will grant you an employment authorization card, and they will also grant you a deferred action, which is a protection from removal or deportation. So it's very important that when you file your application, now you also include the Form I-765, which is the application for employment authorization document. Now, if your application was filed several years ago and you did not include your employment authorization application, USCIS will still review your application, and if they determine that you submitted a bona fide U petition, and there's nothing again on your background that raise any concerns, what they're going to do is they're going to issue a bona fide letter. So once you receive this bona fide determination letter, then you will be able to submit Form I-765, which is the application for employment authorization document. So now, this information is very important because remember, before you were not able to obtain an employment authorization document while your U petition was pending with USCIS, and now this is a possibility. This is extremely helpful. This is going to be so helpful for all those U visa applicants because they will be able to obtain an employment authorization card. So remember, it's very important that when you file your U petition for non-immigrant status, you submit a complete application. Don't forget, you need to submit a complete application, and also don't forget to include the application for employment authorization document. So I hope you find this information helpful, and if you have any questions about this or any other immigration related matter, please give me a call at 773-366-1214 and schedule a consultation with me. Thank you for watching this video.